lemons. Today we're going to learn just bars 9 through 16. So the third and the fourth line of the primo, which is the student part. I'll later put together the secondo, which is the teacher part. So let's look at lines 3 and 4, bars 9 through 16. One little thing at a time. There's a couple of new things in here that you haven't learned yet. You haven't learned what sharps are. We haven't learned how to put notes together that are harmonic seconds and thirds as magic circles. We haven't learned how to do staccatos. There's a lot of things in here that we got to take a look at. So the first thing we have in bar 9, the right hand has a sharp sign for the D. Without that sharp sign, we would play D white key and E white key. But this says D sharp. A sharp sign makes a note, the key go higher by one key. Make it go higher by one key. So the 2, instead of being on D white key, is going to be on the D sharp, the higher note. The 3 is still on the E. So we've got a D sharp and E as a harmonic second, and then you've got a C, and there's a little dot under that C. That dot is staccato, which means touch, let go. We have a dot underneath the harmonic second as well. In fact, all of these notes, except for the minims and the semibriefs, all of these crotchet notes have staccatos. But there's also a symbol under that second. That little V is a really strong mark. It's called a marcato. Marcato. A marcato means really give it a punch, a good accent, okay? When you bite into a sour lemon, it's going to be, oof. That's what we want to feel in the music. Oof. Oof. That's what we want to hear. The left hand also has a staccato harmonic second with the F sharp. So your 2 and your left hand, instead of being the F white key, it's on the F sharp, the key to the right. A sharp makes a note go higher, okay? Now, once a note is sharp, it stays sharp for the rest of the bar. So the right hand has a D sharp E, then a C, then the left hand has the F sharp G, and it's got that second again. Even though the sharp isn't there, we're still going to play it sharp because the rule is once a note is sharp, it stays sharp for the rest of the bar. So we have D sharp E, C, F sharp G, D sharp E, C, F sharp G, D sharp E, and back to the C. Those are the only 3 things that we're going to play in these first 2 bars. Either the harmonic second, or the C by itself, or the left hand harmonic second. Okay, so we have 2 and 3 here, 1 here, 1 and 2 here. So right hand, left, right hand, left, right hand. And each time you play that harmonic second in the right hand, it's got that marcato sign. They have to give a good punch. Punch it, left, punch it, left, punch it. Give it a really good strong thing. Now let's take the next 2 bars. That would be bar 11 and 12 with the right hand. Notice the natural sign for the D. We're canceling out that sharp sign to make it the white key again. And this part you should be able to play. D, G, D, G, C, D, E, hold. Now when you play that G in the right hand, notice you've got the harmonic second in the left hand. Notice the natural sign as well. We're canceling out the sharp for that hand too. So instead of being F sharp G, like it was before in the first 2 bars, we're going to be F natural and G. A regular harmonic second. We know how to do those. And then a 3rd, 4th, 5th. Every single one of those harmonic intervals in the left hand make a magic circle with the right hand. So let's look at the magic circles. The first note isn't a magic circle. The second one is. We have a harmonic second with the G magic circle. We have another one exactly like that. And then in the next bar, bar 12, your right hand has C, D, E stepping up. Your left hand has third, fourth, fifth stepping down. So we have C with the third, D with the fourth, and E with the fifth. And that gets held because it's a minim. It's not staccato. So let's see if we could put the first line, hands together. I count and we play. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Right hand, left, right hand, left, right hand, right, both, right, both, 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 hold. Let's try and do that one more time. Bars 9, 10, and 11, 12. It's the third line on this page. We start off with sharps, but then we let go of those sharps, bring those twos off of the black keys and back to the white keys. Start with the black. I count and we play. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, right white key, right, both, third, fourth, fifth, hold. Now let's look at the second line, or I should say the last line. Bar 13 and 14 are exactly the same as 9 and 10. So we should be able to do that. Don't do the whole thing yet, just 13 and 14. 1, 2, ready, go. Right hand, left, right hand, left, right hand, and stop. And notice there's that natural sign again. Natural means white key, always a white key on the piano when you see a natural sign. So let's do D, and then we've got a G with the second, D by itself again, G with the second, and the last bar there is C hold, then you add the third hold. Notice we're not going to let go of thumb because thumb is a semi-breve there. Thumb hold, add the third hold. Let's do the last line again. Bars 13, 14, 15, and 16. Start with the right. Sharps in both hands, twos on sharps. 1, 2, ready, go. Right hand, left, right hand, left, right hand, natural, both, right, both, C hold, left, left, hold. Let's see if we can do bars 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The whole thing. I count and we play together. Sharps ready. 1, 2, ready, go. Right hand, left, right hand, left, right hand, natural, both, right, both, third, fourth, fifth, hold. Sharp right, left, right hand, left, right hand. Now natural, right, both, right, both, C hold, add the third hold. Let's see if we can go a little bit quicker. It's okay if you can't at this point, you can stop the video at this point. But let's try and see if we can go faster now. I count and we play together. Sharps ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Right hand, left, right hand, left, right hand, right, both, third, fourth, fifth, hold. Right hand, left, right hand, left, right